In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix microphone not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it with any iPhone you have. So what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings application, then go ahead and scroll down all the way to apps. Now, find whichever application is not working, like your microphone's not working on. So let's just go ahead and scroll down. Let me go to an application like Facebook. Go ahead and click on it. And then as you can see on the fourth option, you're going to see microphone. And if it is currently disabled, then all you want to go ahead and do is enable it and then go ahead and open up Facebook again and then try your microphone and it should be working. And just go ahead and do that for any application where your microphone isn't working. What you could also do is just go ahead and try and turn your phone off and then on again. So press the volume up button and the power button together and then go over and slide the power off and then just restart your phone and then see if that works too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.